everyone, 4:30 a.m. and I've given you a little tour of the workshop to show you what we're doing for our drop-in system, the Box That Rocks 2018 version. I'm super excited about this, but I do have to ask myself at 4:30 a.m. in the morning, why am I here doing this at 4:30 a.m? Because it's fun. Stay tuned. 4 days to go.
That rocks.
So under the bonnet, we replaced the battery with a full river battery so we could get a little bit more capacity. This is now linked to the rear batteries. You've got classic old school 1990s Streetwise gold plated battery terminals, and we go back around here to our Streetwise 250 amp fuse within 18 inches of the battery, and that runs all the way down to the rear lithium batteries. We've also got under the bonnet a small helix capacitor, and this is in line with our alternator to the battery, and that basically will filter out the small amount of AC you get from the alternator. Given we had 5 days, we haven't bothered too much with trimming the car other than just putting in sound deadener. We've hidden the cables as best we can down the side, and we've got our small Kenwood head unit bolted in under the dash. We've tried to make that a little bit subtle so you can't actually see it without getting your head down underneath the dash. The Box That Rocks takes up the entire back seat. So we have our 3 RE XXX 15-inch subs, and in the top half of the Box That Rocks we've got 2 sets of German Maestro concepts, tweets and mid-range, and they are sealed so you get a little bit of mid-bass coming from those speakers, and they're tuned down to 80 Hz. The low-pass filter for the subwoofer is set at 80 Hz. So in the back we've got 5 80 amp hour lithium batteries connected all together in parallel. We have a red arc isolator which separates the vehicle battery from the system battery, and that is to ensure that the front battery doesn't go flat while we're running the system. We've got ample amounts of street wires fusing running around the car to ensure that the batteries are well protected and the amplifiers are protected. We tidied up our airbag setup and we've installed two amplifiers. The Orion XTR 2150 old school amplifier that is running the German Maestro splits, and our sound digital amp is purely for the RE XXX subs, and that's running at about 7,000 watts at 1.3 ohms. Well, thanks for watching everyone, and we hope you enjoyed our episode of the modern day version of the box that rocks. So we're about to head down to Profound Sound, and I just want to say, if your car's doing over 120 dB, make sure you practice safe sound. We certainly will be on our way down there, and let's see what score we get. Stay tuned.